city here in this car. Run right to the cop sitting right over there, but you can't see that far over here. Stupid. Engineer. God, they need to fix that crossing. That crossing's bad. President had a derailment. Look at them old cars just sway when it goes across the crossing. There we go, testing tornado sirens. Yep. Here in Kansas today is the statewide tornado testing of the sirens anyhow. Not to be alarmed about, even though it's cloudy, but just testing the tornado sirens to make sure they work. So that's what you hear in the background. No storms area, just testing the tornado sirens. And these tornado sirens are louder than the old ones too. There's one off to the southwest. That's the one you can hear from here. Of course, a lot of people don't have Facebook and they probably don't know what's going on, but it's been announced on the local radio station here, so don't panic. There's no storms, just testing of the tornado sirens to make sure they work properly. Every city in Kansas is doing it today, so. Well, he just stopped down there in the middle of Walnut Street. I wonder if he stalled out. The train just stopped right down in the middle of Walnut Street. I don't know what happened. He just stopped. Maybe there's a other train over in the yard he's at and wait for it to clear out before he can go on into the yard. I guess he starts backing up, means he stalled out, but now he's moving.